Hello everyone. This is second part of the video about making a scientific presentation in our conference. You may find it a little off the track and lengthy, but I promise it would not disappoint you. In part 1 we discussed about rules regarding the abstracts, how to upload files to Google Drive, and how to share the links in our website. In this video, I am going to explain a simple method to create videos for your scientific presentations in KOACON2024. Most of the presentations, except posters and narrations, are planned to be in video format. You know, what happens usually in conferences? A lot of time is wasted on dais, for PowerPoint and extempore presentations. Time to reach dais, time to start PPTX, adjust the connections, adjust mic and audio, run videos in mismatched hardware, unprepared presentations, not knowing which slide comes next, etc. Have we not seen that all? Instead, the time saved using videos directly will be used up on dais for giving more time to the speakers and discussions. You know, in the long run, you will surely and greatly benefit by learning this skill of making a video. I use Windows 10 laptop for most of my work. PPTX files and docs files are made with LibreOffice Portable or Google Docs. I use Audacity Portable for recording audio files and OpenShot Portable for making the videos. The links to download these open source free software is given at the foot end of abstracts page in our website. You can use any other compatible software, of course. Download and install these freeware software in different folders. In this picture, you can see that I have downloaded the software in different folders in my computer. If you install them in your USB drive, it becomes really portable. Visit our website, especially the abstracts page, for all the rules regarding scientific presentations. We have straightly different rules and time limits for different category of speakers. Abstract is compulsory for all types of presentations, whether it is a poster or PowerPoint presentation of paper or case report. Another thing to note is, whatever file you are sharing with us, you have to submit through Google Drive share links. For those who cannot do that, take a recommendation letter from your professor or KOA office bearers and send by WhatsApp to us. Presently what you are watching is a pre-recorded video. Pre-recorded videos, like this, are preferred for all presentations except the posters. KOA has asked us not to make pre-recorded videos compulsory in this conference. Though it is not compulsory, let us take this opportunity to learn how to make simple and short videos. The method I show you is simple and elegant. You have good control on scripting, audio, and visuals. However, more simpler would be converting PPT to video using PowerPoint. You can try that, but make sure that the output is in a ratio of 16:9, with quality of YouTube HD, and you do not read the contents of the slides verbatim. Let us move to our elegant and simple method. Pre-recorded video in the conference is quite like a short YouTube video. There are 6 simple steps: background, script, audio, PPT to images, OpenShot, and posting and sharing. Let us move to the first step, that is background. Take this video as an example. As you are seeing in this video, the background in all videos should be a PowerPoint presentation with a suitable template. Do not bring slides from other templates. Another important thing is to set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for all slides. And always try to follow all the rules given in our website. Start by selecting a template and adding your photograph to the upper right corner of all the slides of the template. To add a new slide, just copy the second slide of the template throughout the PPT. Here are some rules regarding the types of fonts and sizes of fonts. Try to limit the number of slides to 13 to 15. Make less number of slides instead of running through them. Next comes the script. Script is actually what you speak in the video. Start the script by greeting the total gathering. No need to greet everyone on the dais or off the dais by name or title. Start just by saying, "Hello everyone." In one sentence tell about the title slide. Then, follow your script. Skilled speakers need no script. If you are skilled, you can skip this step and directly start recording audio. However, for beginners I have this hack. You can use the speech-to-text feature of WhatsApp to record script for each slide, one by dictating. While doing this, I sometimes find fault with slides and correct them at the same time. Or you can use Google Docs and use voice typing. Then, run WhatsApp on your PC. Copy text from there to your PC into a text file. Print and read it many times to find errors, etc. And suitably edit it to make a perfect script. Now your script is ready. Let us move to record it. It is called audio recording. My favorite tool for audio recording is Audacity. In the description, you can find the training videos about how to download and install Audacity. It is recommended to install one library called FFMPEG along with it. I also bought a USB-C wireless microphone for audio recording. However, it is entirely up to you. First, connect and test the microphone on your laptop and start Audacity. Go to Audio Setup and select the correct microphone. Test and replay the recordings. Watch the training video for demonstration. It is very simple and fun to learn this skill. Record the script in your own voice in as many takes as needed. In between the takes, save the project in Audacity frequently. While recording the script, if you make a mistake, what to do? Stop recording immediately and replay to find out what went wrong. Delete the wrong segment in Audacity as shown in the training video. Record the corrected sentence or word again. Combine the tracks. Make the volume uniform in all the tracks by amplifying. Try to remove the background noise if it is disturbing. Play the whole project to 2 or 3 times to make sure there are no mistakes. Edit any changes. The only challenge is to maintain the same volume throughout the recording. Export the Audacity project as a MP3 file. The videos given in the description beautifully demonstrates usage of Audacity. Make sure that you have not crossed the time limit. We will crop your video at the end if your time limit is exceeded. Change the script if it is too long and record the audio again to fit within the time limit. In the next step, that is, we convert all the slides of the PPT to multiple images and in the serial order. Open your PPT file in your Office suite. Export its slides as individual JPEG or PNG files to a single folder. For example, in MS Office, click the round button on the top left. A menu appears. Select Save as menu. A submenu appears. Click on the menu Other Formats. In the Save As dialog, select PNG Portable in the Save As Type option. Drill down to a suitable folder and click the Save button. Follow the instructions that appear serially and save the files. If you use LibreOffice, click on the first menu called File. Then click on the submenu Export. Select the output as HTML. A wizard opens. Click New Design and then click the Next button. And follow the wizard to create multiple PNG files of high resolution in 16:9 ratio. This will create many HTML files and PNG files for all the slides. Go to File Explorer and delete all the HTML files and retain only the relevant PNG files. This way, you have prepared the images for the video. At this stage, rename the image files correctly so that they sort well in the serial order. Start the first file as 00 and the next files as 01, 02, 03 and so on. Carefully look at this picture to understand. Now, you have audio and images ready. In the next step, we are going to stitch them together into a video. Next, comes the creation of the video using OpenShot software. We are making just a simple and straightforward video for the conference. I could not find a short and simple video of usage of OpenShot to meet this requirement. So, I had to make this long video. Install OpenShot software after downloading it from following link. All links are given in the description of this video. Start OpenShot. In the beginning, it appears very complex. We will be using only the basic features for this simple video. The first thing about OpenShot is setting the appearance. It is called View. I prefer Simple View. To do that, click the menu View. Select Submenu Views. Then select Simple View from the options. This simple view has 3 panels. Panel 1 shows tabs of project files, transitions, effects, and emojis. Panel 2 is Preview panel, where you play and pause the video being made. Panel 3 is Timeline, with 5 ready-made tracks. Adjust the sizes of panels by dragging the drag handles shown in the picture. Then go to the View menu again and click the Freeze View menu so that you will not jumble it. After setting the panels, we have to select the profile for the video. Profile is setting the specification of the final video which you are creating, like resolution, frames per second, interlacing, and screen ratio, etc. From the drop-down list, select the option shown on the screen. That is 1280 x 720 HD at 24 FPS. Then, click the Close button. In OpenShot, what you save is a text file with details of all the elements. It is called Project. While making the video, make it a habit to save the project in quite often using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. Now save it first so that all the settings get saved in the project. This saves the project file in OSP format in a suitable folder. Simply speaking, in OpenShot, all that you do is basically putting image files, audio files, and video clippings on the timeline and create the video. Then, add different features like transitions, emojis and audio effects to enhance the video. Like in Audacity, here the creation of the final product is called exporting. Before arranging the files on the timeline, you have to import files into the project. For that, click the plus symbol on the toolbar. In the Import File dialog, drill down to the folder in which you saved the image files created from PPT file. Select all those image files and click the Open button. If a message comes like this, asking you whether to import as image sequence, click the No button. You can see that I have imported 4 files in this picture. You can import any number of times. You can import files from different folders also. They get arranged in the order of import and in the alphabetical order. On closer look, you can see that first 3 are images and the last one is an audio file. The imported files are in the P1 panel at the upper left corner of the workspace. You can see the timeline in the lower or P3 panel with 5 tracks. The 5th track appears at the topmost part. Now let us start arranging the files which we have imported into the timeline. First of all, let us drag the audio file to track 4. It gets spread over the track till the end of that audio file. You can see the preview area, which is marked 2, is empty. Also note the timeline cursor with blue head near the starting point of the timeline. Let us play the preview. You will hear the audio playing and see the cursor moving over the timeline. Pause or stop the preview and see the time lapsed. Notice the position of cursor on the timeline. Hope you are ready for the next step. Move back the cursor to the 0 position. Now, drag the first image to the 0 position at the beginning of the timeline. Note that I have marked the play button of the preview panel with a light green rectangle. You can also see the first slide in the preview section. Let us click the play button. Now audio will play with the first slide in the preview. Play the preview till the audio of the matter of the first slide is over. And then, pause. You can see the cursor has stopped at 7 seconds and near the right end of the first slide. Move the mouse cursor slowly over the right border of the image. It will turn into double-headed arrow. Slowly drag the right border towards the left to align to the timeline cursor. You can see now the border of the first slide is aligned with the cursor. Then, drag the next slide and play the preview till the matter of the second slide is over. At that time, stop the play. In this case, you can see that the cursor has moved further away than the right edge of the second slide. Here you have to move the right edge of the second image further right to align to the timeline cursor. Do this till you finish adding all the slides. If your script is perfect, everything will match. You are almost done. Suppose you want to delete one slide with its audio or cut short it with half of its audio. What to do? Keep the timeline cursor over the correct spot where you want the cut and right-click on its blue head. A context-sensitive menu appears, as shown here. A menu called Slice All appears with 3 choices. Then, select Keep Both Sides. All the tracks of the project on the timeline will be sliced. And both sides will remain. Watch the slide very carefully. I will slice again between the third and the last slide. Now whole project is sliced into 3 parts in all tracks. Let me name the parts here for identification purpose. Audio sliced into 3 parts, a 1, a 2 and a 3. Third slide is sliced into 2 parts, S3A and S3B. Similarly, I will slice off the extra audio from the end of the project and keep the left side. You can see in the picture that the extra audio is deleted. Now, right-click on S3B. You will see this menu with many options. Click on the option, Remove Clip. Or, simply click on the segment not needed and press the delete key. In track 5, drag the slide 4 towards S3A. In track 4, drag the part a 3 feet towards a 1 foot. That will complete the process. My example project is ready. Press Ctrl+S on the keyboard to save the project. Suppose consider a situation when you want to add a small video clip and in between 2 slides. How to do it? First import the video clip into the project. Then, slice the timeline at the spot where you want to put the clip. Move the slides away and make a small gap on the track 1 and track 2. Drag the video clip to the third track below these gaps. You will get to know its size as shown in this picture. Then adjust the gaps in track 1 and track 2 accordingly. Drag the video clip to the track number 1 in the empty place. Adjust all the elements so that no gap is left anywhere between the segments. Play the project few times. Make sure nothing is wrong. If you want to adjust audio volume at certain place, resegment the tracks. Then adjust the volume of that segment by right-clicking on it. You can also fade audio at the ends, and so on. For conference, that is usually not needed. After everything is ready, it is time to export the video project to MP4. First go to the menu, File. Then, select the menu, Export Project. Under that, select, Export Video. First see this image, in detail. There are many fields in this dialog. I have named different fields 1, 2, 3 etc. In the field number 1, enter a suitable name for the output file. In the field number 2, browse to correct folder. In the field number 3, select the profile, Web. In the field number 4, select the target, YouTube, HD. In the field number 5, select the video profile, HD 1080p 23.98 fps. Dimensions would be 1920 by 1080. In the field number 6, select the quality, High. Then, lastly, click the button Export Video. That makes a high-quality HD video. Go to File Explorer and locate the video. It will be pretty long MP4 video. Check that it can run in VLC player. Make sure that audio is crisp, clear, and pleasantly loud without echoes. If not, analyze the different steps taken till now and correct the mistakes accordingly. These are all the things which you cannot do on stage. The next step is posting and sharing of the video. You have to follow the same steps as you followed during posting and sharing of your abstract previously. Watch the previous video if you have not already. For that, first upload the MP4 video file to your Google Drive. Then, rename it according to the rules. Then, create the share link to our email ID. In short, the remaining process is like this. Open the menu of the file by clicking on the dotted line. It is marked here with green color. Enter our email ID in the field. Make us a viewer. That field is marked with orange rectangle. You can see a checkbox with the text, Notify people. I have marked it with green rectangle. Make it unselected. Then we have this button to generate the link. I have marked it with blue rectangle. Click on it to copy the share link to memory. Then, paste the link to a text file and save it. Make it a point to correctly enter the share links in the text file. Especially name the links separately and properly to avoid confusion. You are going to need this file later. Similarly, upload the PPT file of your presentation to Google Drive and create link for it. Now finally it is time to share the links with us. For that, log into our website and go to the Scientific Arena. You can see the previously created entry. Click on the hyperlink, Edit 1. That will take you to the presentation editor. Open the text file you just saved. From there, copy the share links and paste them in the correct fields. Don't forget to click the update button. If you think your paper needs more time and would like hundreds of delegates to watch you, prepare a long video and put the link in long video MP4 field. We will try to publish it after conference in our YouTube channel. Return to your Scientific Arena. Double check that you have entered all the details correctly. Relax and go back home. Wait for the confirmation mail. This is the end of this training video. It would be great fun and easy to create videos. All that you need is a little time off your routine. I promise, this skill would be very handy in future. If you still think you cannot make a good video, do not worry. Just post your PPTX file. We will definitely accommodate you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.